Hello everyone. Consider this example for CLR1 parser. So let's just number these productions. It is production number 1, production number 2 and production number 3. So there are 3 production in this grammar. First production is S derive capital A and the second production is A derives small a capital A, and the third production is A derives capital B. Okay, so whenever such a grammar is come for LR parsers, so in that case you have to construct two things. First is the various states which represent the canonical collection of either LR0 item or LR1 item, and the second is the parsing table. So the first step is to construct the canonical collection of LR1 item in case of CLR1 and LR1 parser. So how can I construct the canonical collection of LR1 item? I will start with the augmented production. So what is augmented production? Augmented production is S dash derive dot S, and you know that it is canonical collection of LR1 item. So definitely I have to add the look ahead symbol. So the look ahead symbol for an augmented production will be $. I will tell you why dollar is added. Let's say the input is A, B, B, C. So whenever we will scan the input related to any grammar, the input will end it with always $. Okay, so every input is ended with $. That's why we add the dollar symbol as a look ahead for the augmented production. Okay, now after the augmented production, the variable S is present after the dot symbol. So I have to add the S production also. S derive dot A capital A, comma. What will be the look ahead symbol for this production? What is present after the S? The dollar is present after S. So I have to add $. And because of this A, I have to add A production. A derives dot A capital A, and the next is dot B. What will be the look ahead symbol? After this A, two things present. One is the variable and second is the terminal $. So after this A, if variable is present, you have to find the first of this variable. What will be the first of variable A? The first of variable A is small a and small b. Small a and small b. So these two terminal will be the look ahead for this production. So the look ahead symbol will be A comma B, A comma B. Okay, and this state is completed. I0 state is completed. After that, I will take the transition. So here 3 transitions are possible. No, I think 4 transitions are possible. One is the capital S, second is the capital A, and third is the small a, and fourth one is the small b. Always remember, whenever you take a transition on either variable or terminal, the look ahead symbol will never change. Okay, whenever you take a transition on either variable or terminal part, the look ahead symbol will never change. But after the transition, if you add some other production because of a variable present after the dot symbol, then look ahead symbol might change. Okay, so remember this rule. So augmented production will be S dash derive S dot, and the look ahead symbol will be $. Call this state as a icon state. On capital A, S derive A dot capital A, and the look ahead symbol will be $. Because of this capital A, I have to add the production of A derives dot A or dot B. And what will be the look ahead symbol? After this A, $. Is present. So dollar will be the look ahead for this A production. Okay. This is state number I2. Now small a, what will be the production? A derives A dot capital A or B. And because of this A, I have to add the production of A again. So the production of A will be A derives dot AA or dot B, and what will be the look ahead symbol? After this A and B is the symbol present in this production. So definitely A and B will be the look ahead symbol for the next A production. And it is completed. Let's call it as I3 state. And on a small b, the production is A derives B dot A comma B. Okay, and it is final state. Let's call it as a I4 state. Okay. So state number I0 is completed, state number I1 is completed. Let's discuss state number I2. On capital A, it goes to a state S derives A dot and dollar, and it is state number I5. On a small a derives A dot A dollar, and because of this A, I have to add the production of A again. A derives dot AA, and what will be the look ahead symbol? After A, dollar is present, so dollar will be added, and for B also dollar will be the look ahead symbol. Okay, and let's call it as I6 state. So if you observe carefully, the state number I3 and state number I6 is same. Okay, you feel that these two states are same, but these two states are not same. Why? Because they have same canonical collection of CLR0 item, but they are different in terms of look ahead symbol. Here the look ahead symbol is AB, and here the look ahead symbol is $. That's why I have to separate the state number I3 from state number I6. Okay. Now on small b, the production will be A derives B dot dollar, and let's say state number I7. So state number I4 and state number I7 are same in terms of canonical collection of LR0 item, but not in terms of look ahead symbol. Okay, here look ahead symbol is A comma B, here look ahead symbol is only $. Okay, so state number I2 is completed, state number I5 is completed. Now let's take state number I6. So state number I6 is A derives on capital A derives A dot dollar. Okay, and on small a, it will go to the self state, means the loop is present here. So on a small a, it will come to the state number I6 itself, and on a small b, it will go to the state number I7. Okay, let's call it as I8 state. Okay, and here state number I3, A derives A dot capital A comma B. If I take the transition on capital A, then I will get the production as A derives A dot A comma B. Okay, and let's call it as state number I9. And on small a and small b, small a is it will go to the self state, and on small b it will go to the state number I4. Okay, so I think I have covered all the states. How many states are present in this particular grammar? There are total I9. There are total 10 states, I0 to I9. You can check it out. You will get the same number of states which I have got here. Now what I will do here is, the board is not sufficient for writing the parsing table also. So I will erase the content, and after that I will draw the parsing table. So you will just note it down here, and after that we will see the CLR1 parsing table. Okay.